It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be passengers tipping and music hip-hipping and having some fun. It's the most wonderful time. Yes, the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time of the year. That's what my girlfriend gets every morning. That. I jump out of bed, I just sing songs. Get in the shower, I sing more songs. It's delightful. I'm sure she loves it. All right, you guys. Hey, so here's the deal. I wanted to make this video. It's very important to me to make this video to help you guys. We're talking about how to make more holiday money. That's right. Christmas is right around the corner, and I want to give this video to you guys so you can get out there and you make that last-minute holiday cash. So let's get to it. Well, sorry, shuffling papers. All right, so here's how you're going to do it. I want you to get out a pen and a sheet of paper, notepad, and I want you to write a letter to Santa Claus and ask for new tires, gasoline gift cards, a new car, maybe. What else? Maybe just stacks of cash. Then you've made your holiday money. Then you don't have to worry about it. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Here's what you're really going to do. You're going to drive more and sleep less. No, you're also not going to do that. All right, let's be serious. So the first thing that you guys can do to save money is you go down into the video description below, okay? And if you have not started driving, so let's say you drive for Uber, you haven't started driving for Lyft, or vice versa, now is the perfect time to sign up with the other company. Use our sign-up bonus referral code so you can make some extra cash while you're driving before the holiday season. It's the best time to do that. I think Uber right now, I don't know what Lyft's is, but I think Uber is $300. No, that's the referral code. Okay, I don't know. Anyway, point is, if you drive for one, it's time to drive for both. Okay. Let's see, what else? There's a link for this in the video description as well. It's for the GetUpside app. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you so you can download the GetUpside app. And what that's going to do is you're going to save 15 cents back per gallon on your initial fill up, and then you'll continue to save money participating gas stations in your area as long as you use the app. You can refer friends. You can refer friends and get free gas, and then you earn cashback rewards. You can cash those out in the way of gift cards that make great gifts for things like Amazon, Nike, Starbucks, or you can have that sent directly to your PayPal account. That's cash money, right? Cool. Okay, here's what else you are going to do. You're going to this is a great time to get into to send out your referral code. So go into your driver apps for Lyft and Uber, and trying to think how to explain. With Uber, it's under the earnings tab. With Lyft, it's in your dashboard. Anyway, get your referral codes. Now's a great time to go through your contact list and just send out a mass blast email, because there's a lot of people that are trying to make last-minute holiday money, right? So you never know who it's going to hit with. So send those out. I think it'll let you send it out in email or text. Just do it. Just send it out and be like, hey, if you're looking to make some extra holiday cash, here you go. And then, oh yeah, I would do this. I would print out business cards with your, well, if it takes too long to do that, you could just make like a laminated piece of paper to keep in your car. But if you have time, or if you've done this already, then you're awesome. Make business cards with your referral code for Uber and Lyft, and keep that in your car. Maybe just like sprinkle a couple in the back seat, or if you're talking to a passenger and they, it comes up, just hand it to them and be like, hey, if you want to make some extra holiday cash. So those referral codes are a great way to make some extra cash. All right. Okay, so next, I want you to look up the events that are going on in your area. Lyft is awesome because if you go into your dashboard and scroll down, actually, you don't even, well, yeah. Sorry, guys. I can't remember this stuff off the top of my head. But anyway, if you scroll down, right, in your dashboard, yeah, go to dashboard, scroll down, you will see events going on in your area, what time they start, what venue they're at, and I think it has it, you know, for at least a week worth of information. I was going through it last night. They have a lot of great events that are going on in there, things like concerts, things like that, but doesn't cover all the events. So what I recommend is doing some Google searches for events going on in your city, and try and find a schedule and see what's going on, and then determine what are going to be great events for you to go and hang out at. Those are great because a lot of times people are like very tip prominent when they're going out, having some drinks, having fun. All right. So also do this, make a schedule. I recommend doing this anyway, from now until Christmas, with all your free time, and figure out times that you can drive, stick to that schedule, and then match that schedule up with events going on in your area, so you kind of have a plan of where you plan on going and stuff like that. Okay, what else do I have here? Okay, capitalize on your bonus offers. I think I have one for this weekend from Friday through Sunday. If I give 30 rides, it's guaranteed $300 through Lyft. So those vary per person. They're all over the board with that. I don't know what their formula is in offering those anymore, but if you get one of those, capitalize on those. Those are great because remember the guaranteed amount, so that $300 on 30 rides, even though I might make close to that, usually if I make close to that, that would be including tips. So the guaranteed amount does not include tips. Hopefully that makes sense, right? So anyway, and then it behooves you to give a lot of short, quick rides too. So good. Oh yeah, this is a big one. So holiday parties are huge right now. I highly recommend talking to any of your friends and families that work for corporations. Find out when and where their holiday parties are, and even if you can't make it to go to theirs, to, you know, like sit and hang out to pick people up, you'll get an inside scoop on the venues, like the restaurants and the hotels where these holiday parties are being held. And usually if it's a good venue, they're like booked up through Christmas every night with holiday parties going on. And I know this because what else do? I teach golf, and I teach golf at Topgolf, and Topgolf is partnered with Lyft, so you're welcome on that tip if you have a Topgolf in your area. And they are booked, like freaking booked all day long from December 1st all the way through Christmas with holiday parties. It's like no joke. It's unreal. Not all Topgolfs are that busy, but they are all partnered with Lyft, I'm pretty sure. It's a great place to go and hang out. There's a lot of drinking that goes on. I would circle back to your Topgolfs like a lot. If that works for you, give this video a thumbs up. I think that's a good tip. What else? Oh yeah, so, right, we've got family members that are going to be traveling all over the country to be with their loved ones for the holidays. And I shouldn't just say, it's not just Christmas, right? We got Hanukkah. It's a holiday season. Holiday season. Okay. Anyway. So people are going to be traveling for the holidays, which means scheduled pickups are prime. You should be checking those all the time. Just dropping in on those scheduled pickups, because if you can get scheduled pickups for the airport, you're going to get a lot of 2-for-1s around the holidays, meaning you get your scheduled pickup, take them to the airport, drop them off, and you'll get a pickup right away. Airports are going to be hopping, hip-hopping, bebopping, we're out shopping. My album's dropping next month. Okay, what else is going on? Yes, good stuff. I think that covers what I wanted to say for before Christmas, but what I should say for after Christmas is that New Year's Eve is our biggest opportunity for earning of the year. That's right. It's the biggest earning opportunity night of the year. I just read an article. Guy earned over $1,000 in one night driving on New Year's Eve. There's a ton of New Year's Eve parties going on. You know, everybody and their mom likes to go to them. Not everybody, but you know what I mean. There's a ton of New Year's Eve parties going on. So I'd start researching now, trying to get the drop on all the clubs and restaurants and where the biggest parties are going to be. Those are where the biggest surges will be. And my biggest New Year's Eve, I made $500, and I think I drove maybe 6-ish hours. A lot of tips. The money's flowing that night. All right. So that encompasses what I would like to say about earning extra money before the holiday season. If there's anything that I left out, if there's tips and tricks that you know of, that you can think of, that you want to add for our other drivers, jump down into the comment section below and let us know. And other than that, hey, you guys, happy holidays from the Rideshare Hub to you guys. We appreciate all of you so much, and I hope you have a really, truly fantastic holiday season with your friends and family. Travel safe, drive safe. I'm headed up to Wyoming with my dog Bruce and my girlfriend Abby to spend time with my family for the holidays. So we plan on coming back, though, and driving for New Year's Eve. Anyway, you guys are awesome. Till the next time, drive safe, everybody.